Hi friends, today is going to be a work day during writing time. So you are either working on your introduction, your characters, or you're on to the crime and mystery. So you're going to be working on these lined pages after you go ahead and do what this shows right here. So if you've done this crime and mystery, you're going ahead and moving on to the lined pages. So remember, you are doing the introduction and the character, and if you have, you'll put a check mark there. Next on the lined pages, you will have the crime and mystery. Those are two double-sided, so it's on one side and then it's on the other side, okay? Yesterday, we learned the suspect and motive, and after the substitute checked that, then you were able to write on the lined paper. We are going to pause there, though, so make sure everyone's caught up to speed. If you have completed the introduction and character page, the crime and mystery event, and suspect and motive on the lined pages, you may go ahead and do some free writing. If not, try your best to complete these three. Again, they're going to be on the lined pages, okay? So that's what needs to happen. So again, starting from the very tip top, you've done your character planning, and this is the page you wrote on. You did your crime and mystery. This is their writing example. Then here's yours that you're writing on. Yesterday we did suspect and motive. If you completed this yesterday, then you went ahead and started writing on the lined paper. If not, that's where we're going to stop, okay? So that puts you in done with introduction, characters, crime, mystery, and suspect and motive, okay? Please make sure that you are only talking the first 5 minutes with your partner or with your group, and then the rest of that time we're going to be spread out, not sitting next to a friend, so that we can stay focused and do our independent work, okay? Make sure you're spelling words correctly, starting with a capital letter, ending with a punctuation, okay? If you're adding dialogue, make sure you have those quotation marks around the proper things that the characters are saying. Again, making sure it's all school appropriate and that we are putting all papers back into our writing folder, and your writing folder goes away. Tomorrow we will be doing the next step of it, and that will be another video.